Like, be for real. Why are you parking your car in the middle of the freaking road? It's called a community for a reason, you know. Just only from class, but I'm dropping off something. I just dropped off something at home, and I'm about to, wow, at least dim the lights, sir. I'm about to go to the supermarket real quick. And yeah, mega bring one now. It's been a while. Oh yeah, I did my hair. Take care. Thank you. You're welcome. So I'm at the gas station, I'm buying gas. My car is at 3 bar. There's just something about buying gas when the 3 bar. I just feel like I need to buy gas. So yeah, it's just reckless and careless to me if you go under 2 bar, 3 bar, and I'm gonna get gas right away. You're just filling that up now, and then I'm gonna go home. Last week was crazy busy for me, so I never get to vlog or anything like that. But I think I'm gonna try to post this Sunday. I was planning on changing when I post, but like I think Sunday is fine. Monday it's gonna be hectic, so I just stay. I just make it stay Sunday. I don't know. I gotta change and stuff, but Sunday it is. Alright guys, so you remember when I was telling you guys that my tripod I bought, it wasn't sticking to the dashboard, so I bought this one. This is the one I bought wasn't from Amazon, so this is from Amazon, so hopefully this will work. And this was much more expensive, so I'm gonna try it on now and see if it works. I think it's gonna work. Don't give me hope so. There are actually some shelves. I'm gonna have a skincare corner, so this is like some acrylic transparent shelves that I want to install in the bathroom. So I think I'm gonna do this tonight. Alright guys, this is the tripod, the new one. Just to try it out. So far it seems good, kinda clean, but this is a new one, so kinda glad to say it has stick on. This one wasn't sticking on at all. I mean, it did for like 15 minutes, so this is different. So show you guys the shelf. So this is the main focus of the evening. By the way, I got I ordered the Paula's Choice liquid exfoliant, and I thought it was the bigger one. This one is for $13. Yes, this small something, and I was so excited, but I guess it's like a trial run to see if it works on the skin.
Carbon full of money, England money, Europe money, K-Gal money, US money, Glen running, girl some skin cutting, feel about feet run the street, pussy running.
And the lemon. Why didn't give me just one?
I touched that five for you. I knew that we would jump together. I testify for you. I know that I like you, that bitch like you. All that won't run, you get it. I'm not, long as you.
Enjoy, guys. Alright, thank you very much. Alright, guys, so I don't know if you not hear me. Probably gonna speed this up, but I'm at top bar. It's very last minute, I know. And I left my tripod and I left the light thingy. It's supposed to go on the phone for it to look brighter, and out here it's very dark. So I'm gonna check in, you know, and the next 10 minutes I'm gonna just mash up this because I'm very hungry. And by the way, I didn't get to do like a get ready with me because the light is gone. Get up, I know. But yeah, let it go away. But I'm gonna catch up with you guys in the next clip. Basically recording this over because I placed it guys on the tripod, but the engine is shake, so it made the all of the everything just a shake, like the phone and shake. So y'all would want to see that. So I was saying that I did not vlog earlier today because I feel like most stuff that I do in the vlogs, they're very repetitive, and I feel like some people won't care because I've watched vlogs myself. And I heard YouTubers say the same thing, and I'm like, no, man, I have no problem. Like, I'll watch you do whatever, you know. So I feel like some of you feel like that, but for me, I don't know. What do you guys think? I was cleaning and I was like, should I show you guys that part? And I'm like, honestly, how much time do you want to see me clean? Like, be for real. But let me know in the comment section if you guys get tired of seeing stuff over and over. And the next thing I did earlier, I'm just going from the supermarket, by the way. I'm like, I went to the supermarket already in this vlog, so I never feel like say I need to bring one to supermarket again. So I'm currently in BK drive-thru. The line is not long, but for some reason, as you know, them I move slow. But yeah, that's it. That's all I did for this Saturday. And as Mr. Joe, listen, I am very busy. Like, you guys don't understand how much I'm very, very, very busy. So like, when it comes down to vlogging, I am trying to like not take a break. Because I feel like the break I took last week, I didn't want to come back right now. I didn't want to start vlogging, but you know, when I take a break, it's like I feel comfortable and I don't want that. So just gonna keep going and keep pushing. And by the way, I know you guys see my face. I know you see it, and I know you're like, okay, your face is facing, baby. Okay, like. What's it on there like y'all see that? Man, I want drink seats because when I come on social media and brag about your skin, something always happen. But God, cover the doll. But yeah, look at my skin. Look at the skin. Look at the skin. And yeah, when I ask mama use more that, but the shelf. Go back to that clip. Go back in this vlog and look at the shelf, and you'll see all the products. Probably I can't see some of them because it's very small, but like yeah, those are the stuff that I'm using right now on my skin. And it's still not perfect. I have a long way to go, and those spots that you guys are still seeing right now, I'm gonna order some more stuff this week, next week, I don't know, this month, for like the hyperpigmentation. They're very, very, very stubborn, because hyperpigmentation, guys, they're like scars. All right, yeah, like when I get cut from a liquor, well, probably not that bad, but it is bad. It's very hard to get rid of. So yep. And the brand I'm using now, like focusing on for right now, is Curology. I'm telling you already in the last vlog, but you guys need to try it out. It's like going to dermatology, but I feel like it's a bit more cheaper, because it's not cheap, but I feel like it's a bit more, at least for me. But yeah, the skin is skinning, like, yeah, skin is skinning, girl. You know what it's supposed to give. When it comes down to Jamaica, disadvantage we kill. So like, especially I order number one. You know, so number one, come on, everybody coming tonight. They'll want number one. I can guarantee that everybody will order. At least 95% of people, them order one whopper. So me seems like going so long. I've been eating here for like going 45 minutes now for no reason.